Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and I've already given you guys 3 full videos on the video recording capabilities of this phone, which is the LG G8. I gave you 4K at 60 FPS, 1080p at 60 FPS, and 1080p at 30 frames per second. All of those will be linked down below, so go ahead and check those out if you haven't already done so. On this video, I went out to the lake and I took a lot of photos. Not too many, but I took enough to get some kind of just of how much I can really use this phone and how I like it. So there's a little bit of video quality in here as well, you know, when I was walking about. But take a look at the photos when you get into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. I really am enjoying this phone, and the cameras are definitely one of the high points of this device. So take a look at the footage, and I'll see you in the next one. This is beautiful out here at the lake, and the G8 is amazing. Camera quality is ridiculous. Put the G8 in the regular mode here. I just love the wide angle you can do on the G8. It's incredible. That's just incredible. Get so much more into view. Colors are really punchy on the G8.